7:45 a.m. A new day, a new chance for sales.
Morning already? Okay, first things first.
Not coffee, not emails, not social media.
Time to check the Amazon KDP dashboard.
Loading sales report.
Come on, let's see how we did last night. Zero. Seriously? Not even one?
Motivation has left the chat.
Alright, maybe it's just a glitch. Let's grab some coffee and try again.
Fueling up for another refresh.
Alright, coffee first. Then we check again. Okay, now I'm ready to face reality.
The moment of truth. Again.
Wait, what? 8. Let's go.
Best morning ever.
Alright, let's check again in 5 minutes, just in case.
The cycle continues. Publish, refresh, repeat.